Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best rotary polisher you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best rotary polisher in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Silval Rotary Car Buffer Polisher. This polisher with 1600 watt powerful motor. This polisher is perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. You can also use it to sand wood or metal. Light body, easy replacement of carbon brushes. Heat-resistant copper wire motor allows long working time without burning the machine. Constant power and constant speed function, more stable. This 7-speed variable speed control dial allows you to adjust the car polisher speed according to different applications. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 500 to 3300 RPM. Ideal for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble, and floors. The high-performance electric car polisher helps to increase your efficiency. Pure copper wire with high-quality motor, durable and strong power. Built-in carbon brush structure safety, long service life, will not encounter the orbital buffer or polishing machine doesn't work half the work. Perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, make your car look brand new every day. The body size is 15.7 by 3.5 by 3.1 inch and weighs only 4.57 pounds. Polisher comes with 2 detachable handles, D handle and side handle. With switch lock design, you can maintain a speed by lock down the button, greatly reducing fatigue. Comfortable front grip. Curved body sense handle is not easy to fatigue, more accurate operation. Polishing efficiency is high and the power is strong. For details, let's watch more. Our second best rotary polisher is Iacro Rotary Buffer Polisher. Iacro Buffer Polisher comes with sandpapers, foam pads for waxing, wool polishing pads. You can use soft or hard foam pads to finish different application. This rotary polisher is ideal for polishing, sanding, waxing, sealing glaze, removing swirls, shallow scratches, excess wax oil and defects from vehicles. You can also use it on furniture, ceramic, wood, aluminum, steel, tiles, plastic and more. With 1600 watt powerful motor and pure copper wire, this rotary polisher for car detailing has durable and strong power. Built-in carbon brush structure safety, long service life, will not encounter the orbital polishing machine stop working. Light body, easy replacement of carbon brushes. Heat-resistant copper wire motor allows long working time without burning the machine. Constant power and constant speed function, more stable. This 7 variable speed control dial allows you to change the car polisher speed according to different applications and materials. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 500 to 3300 RPM. You can use a higher setting on harder materials and lower setting on softer materials. Low speed 1 to 2 for waxing and buffing, medium speed 3 to 4 for polishing and cleaning, while high speed 5 to 7 for removing paint defects and oxidation. Iacro polisher body size is 15.7 by 3.5 by 3.1 inch and weighs only 4.57 pounds. The buffer polisher comes with detachable D handle and side handle. With switch lock design, you can keep the speed by lock down the button, greatly reducing fatigue. Comfortable front grip, curved body sense handle is not easy to fatigue, more accurate operation. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is an Iacro Rotary Car Buffer Polisher. An Iacro polisher comes with two detachable handles, D handle and side handle. You can choose the way that you feel comfortable. Meanwhile, with the safe switch lock design, you can maintain a speed by press the button safely and conveniently. With powerful 10 amp motor produces up to 3,500 RPM with low noise, powerful enough for a professional. Heat resistant copper wire motor ensures that the machine will not overheat under normal operation. The high performance electric car polisher helps to increase your efficiency. Only 5.0 pounds lightweight, compact and portable design make it easy for carrying and storage. This 6-level variable speed dial allows users to control speed from 1500 to 3500 RPM according to various tasks or materials and improve work efficiency. Comes with sandpapers, fine and rough sponge wheels for waxing, wool polishing disc. You can use different sponge wheel to finish different application. This rotary polisher is ideal for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles. You can also use it on furniture, ceramic, wood and metal. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is E2Lab Rotary Buffer Polisher. The E2Lab Rotary Buffer Polisher use of copper aluminum alloy with 3D cooling technology increases motor efficiency by 10x while extending motor life. High quality motor material will bring more weight and also represents a more outstanding product performance. E2Lab uses the highest quality materials and the most advanced technology to provide the best experience for each user. The E2Lab Buffer Polisher Kit has 6 sandpaper pads, 1 wool pad, 2 flat foam pad, 2 waveform pads to cover all needs when working with polisher. Black waveform pad for polishing and waxing to remove wash marks and fine scratches for a gloss mirror finish. Orange for medium cuts to remove sun abuse and swirl mask. Wool pad have the strongest cuts for deep scratches, heavy oxide layers. 2000 grit sandpaper for furniture and marble sanding. Say goodbye to underpowered and overheating buffer polishers. The E2Lab Rotary Polisher uses 3D air cooling to make your detailing jobs faster, easier, and swirl-free. Keeps the motor at a constant temperature to maintain 100% power output to efficiently support your every work. Get these power polishers and buffers started right now. Let your car shine brand new and get a compliment like a pro. 6 variable speeds dial to customize your detailing processes. E2Lab Buffer for car detailing features a 6 variable speeds dial to help you control speed from 1600 to 3500 RPM. Thanks to the imported stepless technology, you can choose any speed between 1600 and 3500 RPM to customize your detailing processes such as sanding, polishing, waxing, glazing, and more. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best rotary polisher list is Batoka Dual Action Polisher. If you are looking for a high performance, easy to use polishing machine, this 6 inches dual action polisher is your ideal choice. It offers swirl-free polishing action with 6 variable speed dial that operates at 1000 to 3800 orbits per minute. It allowing users to adjust polisher speed according to different applications. Perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. Batoka professional design team is dedicated to creating something new and different car buffers and polishers. Unlike regular buffer polisher, a green chameleon encircles the body of our Batoka DA polisher. It is unprecedented cool and helps to make your car cool and shiny. Comfortable front grip, curved body sense handle is not easy to fatigue, more accurate operation. This 6-speed variable speed control dial allows you to adjust the car polisher speed according to different applications. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 1000 to 3800 OPM. Ideal for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble, and floors. Low speed for waxing and buffing, medium speed for polishing and cleaning, while high speed for removing paint defects and oxidation. The eccentric shaft design of our dual action polisher, the use of eccentric vibration polishing, wax is deeply absorbed by the car paint, polishing efficiency is high and the power is strong. Beginners on the hand fast, and will not hurt the car paint. Pure copper wire with high quality motor, durable and strong power. For details, let's watch more.